This is our guest today. Hi. Hi. I was already outside starting my dough when he showed up. So full recipe in pinned comment. Let's just cook. Gata is an ancient pastry. My recipe is very old and very personal. The dough is simple. Flour, whole grated butter, sour cream or yogurt, 1 egg, baking powder. And you don't need to knead it. You just bring it together, divide it in two, and let it rest in a refrigerator for about an hour. That cold rest is what gives you those flaky layers. Now the filling. And this is where my recipe is a little different. I roast the flour first, just a dry pan, medium heat, a few minutes until it smells nutty. That one step adds a depth that you cannot get any other way. Then walnuts, generously chopped. Sugar, melted butter, 1 egg white, and cardamom. That's it. Simple ingredients, extraordinary results. Roast your first piece of dough thin and even. Brush with egg white and spread your walnut filling. Cover with the second piece of dough, press the edges together. I like to crimp them the traditional way. Then brush the top generously with egg yolk. This is what gives gata that deep amber color. Now the traditional fork lines. This is the signature of gata. Every Armenian family has their own pattern. And poke through 3 or 4 times to let the steam out during baking. Into a preheated oven 365 to 370 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes until it's deeply golden and your kitchen smells like something from another century. Let it cool completely before you cut. Then cut into whatever shape makes you happy. And now, if you want to take this somewhere completely irresistible, make a simple syrup. Water, sugar, a piece of lemon, cardamom, cloves, and orange blossom water. Bring it all to boil for 3-4 minutes. Pour it over and watch it absorb. Ancient recipe, my twist, completely irresistible. Thank you for watching.